Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share your Google Keep list from your Google Keep application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to share your list, you just simply have to open your Keep Notes application at first, and after that just simply select the list which you want to share. Then after selecting the list, you will get to see so many options into here. Just simply tap into these three dots at the bottom right, and from there you will get the option of send. Just simply tap into send and then choose the option of shared via other apps option. And this way you can choose any of the platforms to share this note to. And this way you can easily share your Google Keep list to any platform, to anyone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update. Thank you for watching the video.